Alrighty folks, today we're going to get our bean tunnels fixed. Now, cattle panels went up just about doubled in price from what we bought last year and the year before. So what we're going to do, we have got some old wove wire fence. We'll go in between the cattle panels and use them to drive it down into the ground, and it holds it pretty good. Just like that there. Alrighty, and then you'll just go up along the sides and drive some in. It's just to keep the wind from getting up underneath of it and pulling it up. Folks, zip ties. They are awful handy. They're a farmer's friend. I got a pack today, 99 cents, Harbor Freight. Now these are a little bit shorter. We don't need the real long ones. They've got longer ones there. I think they're $2.99 for a pack of 100. But they are handy. Alrighty folks, you can see here we had some old wove wire fence that we really wasn't using. So what we've done to eliminate a cattle panel in between, we just took that, cut us a piece 16 foot long, and we'll put that in place of the cattle panel. And then we'll drive another fence post right here and put another cattle panel and put a piece of wire. That way, like I said, these things is just about doubled in price from last year. Of course, what hasn't just about doubled in price? Except the person's pay at work. Stupid battery's getting ready to go dead. But this is what we're going to be planting here, is Monte Cristos. It's a 71-day bean, and we like the flavor of them, and we are going to be planting these. Hopefully they'll do good. Now we've still got a ways to go on our bean tunnel, but we're going to stop for this evening and get some beans planted. And tomorrow, nothing happens, Lord willing, we'll finish out the tunnels. You can see, like I said, the battery's running low. We just come through. We planned them a little bit on the heavy side. Squeeze out just a little bit right here. Now, here's some inoculant. You can use that on beans. And then also our old trustworthy bone meal here. It helps also. Now all we're going to do, we'll sprinkle some of this each on there, and then we'll cover them up. Come on, Dan. Alrighty folks, Lord willing, we'll have grapes this year. You can see all the little baby grapes here. You see. Storms are coming right now. The way our luck goes, it'll probably be a hailstorm. I don't know that. But here you can see the tunnels. Now, we didn't get the plastic laid down in this one over here, the weed fabric. And this here will be a different kind of bean. And then up here will be another kind of bean. We was going to try some of Fluty Lick. We bought some beans off of him, some greasy beans. We'll give his beans a try this year. But you can see we just took this old wove wire fence that we wasn't going to use, and that saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cattle panels. So worked out pretty good. I'm sure you can probably hear the thunder in the background. There's what the sky's looking like. Hopefully it won't get bad. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. If you would, share us with your friends. Let them know about us. And you all have a blessed day. And thank you again for watching. And I'm going to say it again, folks. Price of stuff's going up. They keep talking about shortages. Well, you can see when you go to the store, there's a lot of stuff, empty shelves. If you would, just, if you can, able to, pick up a couple extra cans of stuff. If nothing takes place, you'll have that food already bought and you'll have it for later on. Thank you again for watching. Old storms are coming.